Hello guys, and welcome back to Minecraft. And so today I'm going to build my dream, the silver play button. I've already built the layout, so yeah, let's do it. I'll meet you after loading. Let's go. We are in and let's start loading. So the layout is like this, and I'm making the area where the middle thing will be. There should be at least 3 things, this much, so that it will be good. So this is gonna take a while. Phew. Like this I have to go, and that. And don't tell Amog that I am building this, but he would be also building, and I don't want him to build this. So yeah, please don't tell him. If you guys don't know who Amog is, he's my cousin. You can check on some of my videos. His voice is there, and his channel, and on his channel I am there. Okay, so I'll tell you the channel's name. It's Among Apex Gaming. You will see me in some of his videos. Yeah. So this is how it will be. And once again, guys, I just go in the hall and come. Guys, I'm in the hall. It at least took me 3 seconds. Yeah, because my house is not that luxury. It's almost same. It's same as a mouse house. 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms in a house and 2 bathrooms. Not this one, okay? My real life. I hope. Once again, guys. Let's go. I'll just go back where I was before. Yup, I'm back inside my bedroom. So I kind of want to use a command. So guys, once again, I'll just get a paper and tap in the command in front of you. I'll just get some paper and pencil. Guys, I'm back with my paper and pencil. It just took me 5 minutes, not that much. So my position is 88, 93, 37. Done. Then I have to fill it till down there. So let's just fly. Let's just walk now. $88, $65, $70. $65, $70. So I am starting from here. The position. Let me just open here. Break these blocks. Hold nothingness. Bam, 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 bam. Yep. Fill. Slash fill. 88, 65, 70. 88, 65, 70. Then space 88, 93, 37. 88, 60, no? 93. Wait, I need to give spin. 93 and 37. 37. Block name. It's iron underscore block. I hope it works. Yeah, man. There we go. Let's go, boys. I learned how to type commands of /fill. Not that fast. Literally. We are just 6 minutes in and already this is almost done. Yeah, it's gonna be a short video. It just filled it up. Bro, this is my first time doing this command. Literally. First time. And it worked. Let's go, man. And I need my tinted glass. First, it's a little curved, right? Yeah, so let's just make it a curve, but just like that. How does that look? Worst. This does not look good. Let's just break it. I'm the funniest man alive. Yeah. I even do some jokes in almost some videos. So let's start by placing the tinted glass. How much should I build it? I think 2 blocks. Yeah, 2 layers. I'm not that good at building these things. So if you have a better idea, yeah, please comment down below. Because I don't have as many ideas. I got this idea by lockdown life. Yeah. You guys thought this was my idea? No, this is lockdown life. And let's actually see the results in night because tinted glass looks so cool at night. I'm not joking. If you guys are OP means good at Minecraft, you will know. So it's like a play button, right? Like when we play a video, we get that sign. When we stop, we do it like that. So yeah, I'm building that. If this comes, wait, this is not even in the middle. Can somebody tell me how that looks? So it's kind of like this going upwards. I think so. If you guys know, just comment down below. Yeah, that's what I say every time though. I had to build this in this way. So let me just see how I built it. Okay, so I need to place. Let me just fill in this area like that. I'm breaking this. No. It's like kind of like this and that. And yeah, boy. That's more like it. But I need to make it even bigger. By just doing this. And that. Bam. Yeah, I think I should delete this layer. / delete. Look at me just mining these things. It's so good. Let me just see how it looks. And it's becoming night time. The perfect time. But I don't want to look at the results right now. So let's just do it. Sorry, Lockdown Life, to steal your idea. Actually, he did not build this. Yeah, so I would not be able to have this idea. So, one shout out to Lockdown Lifey. Wow, at the best and the worst time. Means at the worst time. Slash weather clear. There it goes in the trash now. Bruh, I can barely see some houses. That's my red. Can you see it's a little down? That means the earth is not flat. And Lockdown Life thought that flat. You can it's legit circle in also in Minecraft. As you guys only look. If you want to make it sure, you can pause the video and do it. Guys, in May I am going to get my headphones. So I am uploading a packaging video of that. Yeah, unpackage. Means we make it get out. Yeet it out. I am going to use it for the first time in one of my videos. At least. Nice, right? Like, I'm going to get my first headphones ever. My own. Nobody else will use it. Not my dad, not my mom. Only me. I'm only allowed. No one else. So yeah, it will be fun. And if you guys are my subscribers, then your luck will increase 2 times more. Yeah. Every YouTuber says it, but nothing happens. So don't believe in them and also in me. But if you guys want to subscribe, you can. So this is the results. I don't think I made it in the middle. I'm an idiot. Break the iron. Yeah, fill it up. I'll just mark the place. Okay. And then we'll start making the middle part again. So it looks like this is the middle area. It was kind of like very up and yeah, I know this won't look good. Wait. Nah. Idiot Arab. I can't even build it properly. Now fill these in with iron blocks. This should not happen. Yeah, boy. That's more like it. Let's place them. And after I place these iron blocks, this thing is my play button is done, which is actually my dream. I want a silver play button. Once again,